Hello techies! This is CompTIA Lab 14.1.9 and we're going to look at service and name resolution. So we're going to query the default DNS server to find the primary IP address for the domain compnet.xyz, and we're going to use the dash type equals mx parameter with nslookup to find the name of the mail server for compnet.xyz. We'll also query the default DNS server again to examine the mail server's IP address to test if the issue is related to a specific DNS server. A query to find the name of the mail server again, but this time around force the query to use the external DNS server ns1 method, ns1nethost.net. So during a recent security audit, it was reported that a virtual network computing VNC server might still be running on one of the computers in the network. Your task is to go to the support computer and use the command netstart -1 to check if there is an active listener on port 5900, then answer the final question. So let's see if there's any other tags that we missed here. So we'll go into the terminal, and while inside the terminal you want to impute ns lookup compnet.xyz, press enter. And let's look at the question. What is the primary IP address for compnet.xyz domain? That will be 192.168.1.1. Okay, so we see we've resolved 1, so we still have 4 to go. So let's continue working. Let's minimize this. So we'll go to ns lookup dot dash type equals mx space compnet.xyz. Okay, we have an IP address here and non-authoritative answer compnet.xyz mail exchanger. Okay, so we type in here ns lookup dot compnet.xyz. Press enter. So let's look at the question and see if this information will help us answer any question. What is the IP address of the server that received mail for CompTIA.xyz? So that will be 198.28.1.3. So we'll minimize this and continue. So it's going to be ns lookup dot type equals mx, then CompTIA dot xyz space nsr dot nethost dot net. Press enter. And let's see how we do. What is the name of the server returned by the DNS server NS? Okay, so it's going to be CompTIA dash ww3 CompTIA dot xyz. So let's check our answers. Okay, so this is 4. Okay, so we'll go ahead and sort out the remaining one. We are doing fine so far. Let's go to floor 1 and go to support. Let's go to the terminal. Under the terminal, I'm going to type in net start space, okay. So, alright, so let's answer the last question. Is there an active listener on port 5900? Yes. So let's check our answers and everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, consider joining my professional membership, like and subscribe to the channel, and you can reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.